Hello everyone, this is Eric with Auto Replay back again, and it is Saturday. I'm about to go run to Tampa, go get my kids. My kids been down there for about a week with my mom, spend some time, and that's where I've been having time to actually clean out the house and my storage and my business and taking time to do the things that I wanted to get straight. So right now I'm about to stop at Children's Lighthouse, their store here in Tallahassee, and all the stuff that I did start listing or stuff that I know that I'm probably not going to sell, I'm gonna go ahead and donate everything here. There's like a encyclopedia set, just miscellaneous, videos from when I was becoming an electrician, and just stuff that's just been sitting in the attic that I don't even need to keep or need to have, pretty good use. Somebody else can have it, So I figured I'd just go ahead and do that, and I did go ahead and put all the cash that I made from my tool set, that was $200, into my Bank of America account. Plus, we did get our stimulus, like $500 for the two kids. And so, with some of that, I'm going ahead and take $250 or $250 of that and putting it back into the dividend reinvestment stock. So basically, what I've done is I've taken $450 from my bank account, and I'm putting it into my Robinhood stock buying power account. So right now it's in the app, but I haven't bought the actual stock yet because I want to purchase as much of the realty income dividend stock as possible. And since I just got my dividend reinvestment, I guess, for getting paid, they just did that like really Thursday, but I got paid Friday. So they just bought more of the stock. So usually when that happens is when you get paid your dividend, usually the stock price will drop for all the payments they sent out. So I'm kind of waiting for that to kind of drop. So I'll look at it Monday and Tuesday, since I have a good chunk of money, that I want to buy enough with, because I think it's like $68 or something like that. So I want to see maybe it'll go to like 67 and just buy it, a bunch at one time. So, because like stock is, and I'll probably show like a video of this. I'm not a stock market analyst or, anything like that, but just, it goes up and it goes down. So, you got to look at it at like, 1 month, a 3 month, and 6 months, and one year, and a 5 year. You want to look at it at different periods because you want to see what the history has been doing. You don't want to just look at it for like day. I mean, I'm not putting like $20,000 or $100,000 of buying power into this, So, I gotta look at it, and if I get around $67, even if I bought it at 68, it's kind of staying around that price, and so that's what I'm just kind of focused on, just getting as cheap as possible, like when I'm buying a bulk share, but I'm still gonna get paid for it, and the more that I buy now, the more that I'll get paid, So hopefully next month, I could get $15, and next month at that I get 30. Then, I want to work up to getting hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and to the point where I'm making $3,000 a month passively from the dividend reinvestment stocks, And then, basically you would be paying taxes on that, but I could live off that, just to pay my expenses. And then after that, everything that I do work on my job would be extra profit, it'd be extra, So that's the whole purpose. That's the point. What I'm trying to get to is trying to get to $3,000 a month passively through my dividend reinvestment stock. So that's where I'm at with the journey. So that's why I'm cleaning up everything, just putting money and energy towards things that are paying cash flow, So that's what I'm working on, and it's kind of give you a little update, So I appreciate everybody like, share, subscribing. I am working on selling that white SLK 320 car. I do have somebody that's interested at like $500. I got another guy that says he may come and get it for $7, but we'll see. I'm kind of holding up just to see if I can get $7, because it is, people talk a lot of stuff, but until they really show up, you don't really know, So who knows? So we'll see what happens. I'll show a video about that and about how I took, I made like 12 or 15 different Craigslist. What I did, I made a bunch of different ads on Craigslist in different cities. So I actually got, about 2 hours away, I got some different listings, Jacksonville, Albany, Pensacola. Some are further away, just to get some entrance into the vehicle to see if somebody just come get it, So, that's kind of where we're at with it. I think, I mean, I can sell it here. I'm just kind of waiting to see exactly, you know, if I could get a little bit more money out of it, you know. But that's just something I'm gonna get rid of. The tree house I'm gonna get rid of too, and you know, I'm just gonna keep going from there. Just anything that I need to focus on, basically, you know, things that I should be selling. You know what I mean? Like selling like stuff through the business and making bonuses. That way I can make more money like that. So that's kind of what we're looking at, and I'll catch you in the next one.